and grabs the plankton and then it eats it. Easy. It's like a fishing hook.
Yeah. Arthur, you gonna walk? Hi. Hi. You're so funny. Oh, what are you doing? Are you gonna walk, Arthur? Come on. Ooh, come on. Come on. Cheater. Oops. 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 Yeah, I tried it. Good job. Good job. You standing there? Yeah. Good job. Good job. Hi, my baby. Hi. You're so cute. Oh, thank you. You about to eat them all gone? Yeah. Rubbing your grubby fingers all over the place. There's Aiden. Go see Aiden. Aiden, see if he'll walk to you. See if he'll walk to you. Oh, and there's Jackson. Isn't that cute? Good job. That's cool, honey. Here's a strawberry.
There's a cut.
Whoops. Oh, Arthur likes it. Look
No!
out.
You gonna walk to me?
Alright, see if he does.
Arthur!
You can go see Aiden? You can go see him?
Aiden! Arthur! Come on, baby! Come on, baby!
Guess he's done.
The snakes. Come on, baby! A snake's being stuck in the ocean.